Системно наращиваем логистические возможности России. Делаем это с расчетом на перспективу. Развитие.
Vladimir Putin, president of the Russian Federation, said that Russia refuses to take the blame to the food security crisis in the world. Putin said to the Federal Chancellor of the Austria, Karl Nehammer, over the phone on Friday, May 27, 2022. At the request of the Karl, Putin assessed the situation to the context of ongoing special military operation to protect Donbass. He also talked about the efforts to ensure safe navigation in the Sea of Azov and the Black Sea. The two leaders discussed issues related to global food security. Putin emphasized that attempts to blame Russia to the disrupted supply of agriculture produce to the world market were groundless. He explained the real reason behind those problems, which emerged in part due to the anti-Russia sanction imposed by the United States and European Union. Vladimir Putin reaffirmed Russia's commitment to its contractual obligation concerning natural gas supplies to Austria.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.